Good morning. It's Friday the 2nd of August and we're off on another little adventure I should say. Where are we going, Gerwin?
That way.
That way. Okay, he's so nautical, it's unreal. We are heading for Watchet. They better watch it and watch it. Smile, Gerwin. Smile.
Hello.
Okay.
Morning.
See you in the loch. Yacht Atiqa ahead of us. As usual. We're heading for a convoy. Over and out for the moment.
You're out as well, yeah?
Here we are. It's 8:10 on Friday the 2nd of August. We're just leaving our little mooring. We'll be home soon.
The wheel is
I'm just having my croissant breakfast, continental breakfast. Hello, Gavin. Right, let's see if we can find Lucky Duck. They're heading for the loch. Oh, there they are. You can just see them.
Good morning, Rose. I think we're heading for lock number 2. And ahead we can see, let me zoom in. Ahead we can see Lucky Duck and some fisher. Is that a skate that used to be next to us when we were moored in Penarth? Is it? Yeah, that could be a skate, which is the fishing boat we were moored right next to in Penarth. We'll soon find out when we get a bit closer. What's that? Vive la France. Okay. Oh, we're going to France, right? Okay. So here we go. We're entering barrage here. Lock number 2. Rose is ready to jump off, and we've got ahead of us, I think that's a skate and a Lucky Duck. So we'll film Rose jumping off now. Hey, don't jump off too early. Yeah. Just not see the mud. Just not see the mud coming out now.
Oh yeah. Right, we gotta avoid that.
Morning, Rose. Captain Rose on the helm. And there's Lucky Duck. Lucky Duck! Hello!
You're on camera!
Smile! What sort of sailor are you? But it's only 9 o'clock in the morning. Oh, it's just Watch where you're going. Oh, we've overtaken them. Where are they? There they are. That's by a cream house. And that's the end of the road. This is the coast of Somerset, and over there in the distance is Watchet. You can see the buildings in Watchet. Okay, so this is where we're going. There's a good view of the red starboard lighthouse for some reason. But there we are. So that's where we're headed. Oh, sorry. Rose, no, there's Hinkley Point power station, and here's Rose. There's Captain Rose.
Slightly worse for where?
Let's zoom out. Hold on a sec.
No, don't go too close.
No, zooming out. There we go. And over there is Wales, Aberystwyth power station, and Heathrow, I think it was. Okay. See you in a minute when we get a big Okay, so we got the sails down eventually, and now we're entering Watchet Harbour or Marina. And there's that famous starboard lighthouse that's painted green. And we'll just go around this corner, follow these boats, and hopefully we'll have a green light. I'm heading for a wall apparently. Okay, see you soon. So here we are, we've come into Watchet Harbour, and we can see someone right at the end of the pontoon to escort us in. So here we are in Watchet.
Hello.
Good morning, Rose.
Good morning. No, it's not morning, it's afternoon. But
Oh, is it afternoon, is it? Okay, and there's Atiqa sat just about to float, whereas all the other boats are stuck in the mud. Just about to see the Welsh coast in the distance there. Oh, what's it? Oh, the ship.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're about to go for a walk. Morning. Trying to zoom in on our boat. You can just see it with the wind turbine going round. There she is. Just about afloat, as all the other boats are. Well, most of the other boats. But in the mud. Morning, pigeon. He's let his hair down.
He's let his hair down. And the weekend. And I can't remember this lady. I can't remember. Now, where's he? Oh,
he's at the bar.
He's at the bar. Go on, then. And Larkin's walked out now with a blonde. Hello, Sheila. Oh, what is he? Who is he?
Is that a bird he's carrying? And that's the wing coming down?
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah.
And he looks like he's got a crossbow behind him. See the crossbow?
Yes, he's just killed it, see? Nice man. Is he he's the ancient mariner. Very good. Apparently there's 8 pubs in Watchet, so we must visit them all. It would be very rude not to do so. So I'm feeling a little better, maybe we'll have a drink soon. Okay, we're just coming to the harbour wall now. We've got the London Inn, Pebbles, harbour. Oops, excuse me, Mr. Cyclist. Tide is coming in.
Well, it could have been woman-made, but it's probably a man-made.
Oh yeah. Well, it's like the film.
See the flag on the Royal Carriage tender behind us.
Oh, we have a royal tender.
We go
Oh my goodness. Black
somewhere with.
colour.
Let's have a walk.
This is that famous lighthouse. The starboard side is red. Top is green. It's green, for goodness sake. This is the view of the inner harbour. There's the issue on there. Let's see if I can zoom right in. Where's the steam? Oh no, this is
Behind
oh yeah, I can see it. So lovely little flip.
we'll have
Oh, there's the steam train. Excellent. Where?
well, it's not near the steam train.
Where's Steepo?
Not out at sea.
Out at sea? Oh, possibly. So the clue is out here somewhere. There's me going on to land. Where is it there? Oh yeah, I can see it. It's slightly in the distance. My eyesight's not.
Traverse Tower Station. Tower in the distance.
Look at that. There's no time to get
Sun
yet.
is on the land.
Who needs maps? Oh yeah, look at the train now. Let's see the carriages. Really nice, pretty place. Pretty beautiful. Inside town. This is a cute little street. Marina Guest House. In the restaurant. It's been raining.
Come on in. Carry on walking.
In the rain.
Right, I'm not singing. Let's get out of here.
We are now going to Watchet train station. Hopefully a steam train will come through while we're on the platform. That would be quite nice. Oh, we want a nice screen. Welcome to Watchet Boat Museum. Oh, still singing at the railway children. are waiting. Looks like locals. One came through. I'll see it, won't I? Watchet train station.
See the walkers on it.
Right. Here we are. He's back. I'm off again. There we are. This will be on the YouTube shortly. Is that?
Well, you want to come to
Did you have a nice sailor? Not too close. But
I'll be sailing in Portugal. Got here about 4:30. What a wonderful trip. Here we are. Cheers.
Cheers. And Sherry. What? Why not? No? Oh, you can shine. Oh my God.
Just
There you go. What have you done in a past life? Who's he hiding from?
ignore it.
Very civilised.
Hello. I noticed the last time when we were at Echo, I was bossy. I was saying to everybody, say hello. Say hello. Don't just say it, but I noticed it. Sometimes I have to do it now. Oh, there's Noel. Cheers, Noel. Have a nice sail. Julian, how the Gemini?
Oh, Rob's here.
Oh. Believe it or not, it is the 4th of August. It is the height of the summer.
Typical summer day.
Yes. Can't even see Wales. Wales is gone. Everything's gone. It's grey. This is
Minehead.
the bar.
It's sunny in Butlins, Minehead.
Sorry, Butlins. Sticking out. There's loads of activities going on the promenade. There's loads there. Right now? Well, that's only one of them doing. Oh, those legs. So we come out of that gate. We've got to come across this.
That's how.
About 4 o'clock, okay? Now we have a long sail home.
6 hours of
In the rain, in the day. Gavin, I want it on film now. Promise me you are not putting the spinnaker up. No, no, I'm telling you now, you've got to promise me. Yes, you won't. Spinnaker. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm a novice sailor. Promise on film. Gavin. Yes, you won't put it up. There we are, I've got it on film. Pushes me over the edge, he does. No such word as can't. Gerwin's words. I'm laughing, but I'm actually, yes, well, twitching slightly. So we're going to zoom in now on Mike. I think he's cooking. No, where is he? This is both Starlight Express. Come on, Mike, it's away. Camera shy. Anyway, that is Starlight Express. Oh no, here comes the red lights have it. It should be blue. The outer harbour. Tomorrow. I'll give you the book.